Hello everyone, it is 1:29 a.m., May 16th, 2019, and my AP exam is in less than 12 hours. I'm making this video to help me and you review AP statistics and just a quick overview of confidence intervals and tests. First up is the one sample z interval, which estimates a single population mean and the standard deviation is known. Following that is the one sample t interval, which is also used in a matched pairs design, where it is also estimating a single population mean, but the standard deviation is not known. After that is the one proportion z interval, which is estimating a single proportion. Then there's the two sample z interval, which is estimating the difference between two population means with a known standard deviation. However, in the two sample t interval, you are still estimating the difference between two population means, but the standard deviation is not known. Finally, for the intervals, there's the two proportion z interval, which is estimating the difference between two population proportions. Moving on to tests. You have the one sample z test, which is testing a mean from a single sample. Then you have the one sample t test, which is also testing a mean from a single sample, but unlike the z test, the standard deviation is not known. After is the one proportion z test, which is testing a proportion from a single sample. Then you have the two sample z test, which is testing two means from two samples. Then you have the two sample t test, which is also testing two means from two samples, but the standard deviation is not known. Then you have the two proportion z test, which is testing two proportions from two samples. Starting on chi-squared, we have goodness of fit, where you have one categorical variable and one population. The purpose of this test is to determine if the sample data is consistent with a hypothesized distribution. Next is homogeneity, where you have one categorical variable but multiple populations, and you're trying to determine if the different populations are similar. Finally, we have chi-squared independence, where you have two categorical variables and one population, and you're trying to determine if the variables are related. That's going to be it for my overview. Hopefully this helps you a little bit.